Hey there, foodies and health enthusiasts. Welcome back to Diabetic Diet Meal Plan. I'm thrilled to bring you a sizzling new meal plan that's not only bursting with flavor, but is also a game changer for both diabetics and weight loss warriors. Get ready to spice up your kitchen and revitalize your health with our Southwest Fiesta Meal Plan. Whether you're on a journey to control your blood sugar levels or shedding those extra pounds, the Southwest Fiesta Meal Plan is your delicious ally. We've carefully curated a menu that's not only blood sugar friendly, but also packed with nutrients to support your weight loss goals. Because who says healthy eating has to be bland and boring? Let's make every meal a celebration of good health. Breakfast: huevos rancheros with black beans, salsa, and a dollop of Greek yogurt. Whole grain breakfast burrito with scrambled eggs, black beans, and avocado. Fresh fruit salad with a hint of chili powder. Lunch: chicken and black bean chili with diced tomatoes and green chilies. Quinoa and roasted corn salad with lime vinaigrette. Grilled shrimp tacos with cabbage slaw and chipotle mayo. Dinner: baked chicken fajitas with bell peppers and onions, spaghetti squash with black bean and corn salsa, turkey and vegetable stuffed poblano peppers. Snacks: roasted pumpkin seeds with cumin and chili powder, guacamole with jicama slices, sliced mango with a squeeze of lime juice. These meal plans offer a variety of flavors, textures, and nutrients while being mindful of diabetes-friendly choices. Adjust portion sizes based on individual dietary needs and consult with a healthcare provider or dietitian for personalized advice. So, are you ready to embark on this flavorful journey towards a healthier you? And don't forget to hit the like button if you're already salivating at the thought of Southwest Fiesta goodness. Share this video with your friends and family who could use a tasty boost in their health journey. And of course, hit that subscribe button, join our community, and let's explore the world of delicious diabetes-friendly meals together. Stay tuned for more mouth-watering recipes and health tips. Thanks for joining us today. Goodbye.